Hello, welcome. So I am creating a new playlist under my YouTube channel here, where we're going to be talking about services and products of the platform SharePredictions. SharePredictions offers a stock predictions API on the web and also has 3 different mobile apps for common stocks, stock options, and cryptocurrencies. In the first part of this playlist, we are going to be focusing on how you can use the stock prediction API. We're going to get information about which endpoints there are and how you can use the API endpoints to be able to get the data that you need to use in your analysis work for markets in general. In later videos, we will also be covering how you can use the mobile apps themselves, but it's going to be the next step. So let's start with the stock prediction API endpoints. So to be able to get a fair understanding about what the API is all about, you can come to sharepredictions.com, as you can see on the screen right now. And then at the top of the screen from the menu items, you can pick the docs, which takes you to the API documentation page. Here you can read about what this API is all about, how you can use the endpoints, and which kind of data you can expect from the endpoints when you use them. There are also a bunch of filtering options available that we're going to go through later on. This API in general is giving you daily updated predictions for common stocks from the American stock markets. Predictions are updated on each market day and made available roughly a few hours before the markets are opened. These predictions are available both in the mobile app for stock predictions and also through the API that you can use from the website. As mentioned, so there are 3 different endpoints which you can see on the left hand side. These are tickers, market parameter, and the ticker predictions. Tickers endpoint is going to give you the list of tickers that we support in this platform, for which we're going to be providing predictions. The market parameter endpoint gives you the market level predictions that we're going to be talking about later on. And ticker predictions endpoint is going to give you ticker specific or common stock specific predictions. Again, all these predictions are updated on a daily basis. These predictions are covering for the price movement of predicted stocks in the short term. So these algorithms are not really trained for predicting the long-term performance of the stocks. Maybe good to remember. So to be able to utilize the API endpoints, you will obviously need to create your API key. You can create your API key by simply subscribing to the service and creating an account at sharepredictions.com.